how you can fix Find My iPhone grayed out on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So as you can see right here under Find My iPhone, it says that Find My iPhone is required when stolen device protection is turned on. So now what we'll need to do is we'll need to turn on stolen device protection. Now to do that, what you'll need to do is go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, just scroll down till you find Face ID and passcode. Go there and type in your phone passcode and you will get in, and after that you will need to scroll down. Now there you will see stolen device protection. Now what you'll need to do is turn this off. Now after it's turned off, just go back. It might take a few minutes or even few hours sometimes, and after you've waited for long enough, you might want to start your settings again. And after you're on your settings, just find My iPhone, and after you find it, just go there and you will see that Find My iPhone is not grayed out anymore. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you fix Find My iPhone grayed out problem on your iPhone. And yeah, that is all. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.